Hey, I'm Nicole with DoMyOwn.com. Today I'm going to show you how to do a perimeter barrier treatment with the ProCare Bifen 7.9 Insecticide Concentrate. This liquid insecticide is an excellent choice for controlling pests inside and outside your home or business. It provides long-lasting control of over 75 insect pests and can be used across a variety of application sites, including in and around homes, commercial buildings, industrial sites, and in lawns. To apply ProCare Bifen 7.9 as an outside surface perimeter barrier treatment around the foundation of your structure, you'll want to start by mixing the insecticide with water in a hand pump or backpack sprayer. Mix 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce of ProCare Bifen 7.9 Insecticide Concentrate with 1 gallon of water for every 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Be sure you're wearing the appropriate personal protection equipment while mixing and applying. You'll want to always read the product label before mixing and applying for PPE requirements and the exact mix rates for your target pest and treatment areas. Now that you have your ProCare Bifen 7.9 insecticide solution mixed, you'll want to start by applying your barrier treatment with a band of uniform spray coverage around the foundation of the building, spraying up to 2 to 3 feet up from the ground. You'll also want to spray a band out into the soil and vegetation surrounding the building 2 to 3 feet out. You'll want to apply this using a coarse spray setting. Make sure you apply enough of the spray to cover the surfaces without having excessive dripping or runoff. After you've sprayed around the foundation, you'll want to spray a 1-inch band around your window frames, door frames, and vents. Spray where cables, pipes, and wires enter the structure. You can also spray the underside of eaves, roof overhangs, and soffits. Do not apply ProCare Bifen insecticide onto impervious surfaces like paved driveways, concrete landings, sidewalks, or patios. You should also not spray any structural areas located above impervious surfaces, and avoid spraying into gutters or where the spray can run off into storm drains. The best time to spray your outside pest control treatments is on a calm day when there is no wind and when rain is not expected for 24 hours before or after you spray. This will help maximize your perimeter pest protection. Once you've sprayed around the outside of your home, you can also use the ProCare Bifen 7.9 to treat indoors. Indoors, you're going to want to apply as a crack and crevice, pin stream, spot, or low pressure spray. You'll want to treat the areas where pests usually hide, including along the baseboards, in closets, storage areas, and in corners. Spray cabinets, drawers, under sinks and around water pipes, and behind and under appliances like refrigerators, stoves, and dishwashers. Don't use ProCare Bifen as a spray indoors. Be sure to consult the product label for instructions on how to treat specific pests indoors, including ants, fleas, stored pest products, and more. Always allow treatment areas to dry before allowing children or pets back into the treated areas. And it's that easy with the expert help and professional grade products from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.